stripe, and I think it says B12 on it. And the camera normally runs on 4.5 volts worth of 3 AAA batteries, which it can still be operated that way, but not at the same time whenever I hook it up. Right now I've got it modified so I can hook it up to a battery pack that I made. And also in the camera I pulled the original lens out and replaced it with a lens out of a cheap Aries camera that it had one of those square pink looking filters that was on it, and I pulled it out of it and I put that lens in this camera, which this camera is a 14 megapixel. And then I built this, you can see it all at one time, but it's got a handle here, and put a 96 infrared LED a light on it. That I was trying to think of a different name there, but anyway, it's a, let's see, they're 8mm diameter LEDs, and they're 850 nanometer, and that light is 15 watts. Okay, and the camera is like about 700 milliwatts. Okay, I'm gonna be hooking that up to this homemade battery pack right here, which has a 12 volt 12 amp hour UV alarm battery inside of a, I think it's a 1.25 liter Tupperware container from Walmart. And I had cut some rectangular holes toward the top and put this $1.97 strap so I can pick it up by that. And then I added, let's see, first of all I added here at the top this adapter, which is off of well, one of them, like a 12 volt wall adapter. Is this female end, because that will fit, let's see, where's the end of that? That's gonna fit this right here end, which goes to my light. And the camera, let's see, I'll find the end of that one now. The camera, I adapted this right here because it's a USB end, and the other end of it that's going to plug into the camera is this, which is a mono speaker jack. It's 1/8 inch, and because that's let's see, that's the size of the jack. It's hard to look at and do this a bit. Okay, so that plugs into this jack right here. If I don't screw this up, I can't plug it in. I'm gonna bend the light. Bend my light back straight. It's hard to do that one-handed. Okay. Now, I'm gonna run out of time here if I don't hurry up. Okay, the light plugs in over here to that jack. Okay, that plugs into there, and the camera plugs in underneath here to the there's two USB ports underneath this cigarette lighter jack, so it plugs into one of them. Okay, now, the light is on. Alright, then you open the lens right here, which I have a inside of there is a 37 millimeter 720 nanometer infrared lens in there. Okay, now this is going to be difficult. I'll have to try to do all of this, pick all this stuff up, which I probably just messed up because, okay, I'm going to have to unplug the light temporarily. I got to set this down a second. Shit. I'm going to unplug that too. Got all of it over the strap. I gotta unplug the whole damn thing. Okay, there it is. Alright. I'm gonna put it back. There we go. I strung it all through the strap and I couldn't pick the strap up. Okay. Now I got my next problem is it's hard to do with all these different things. Now I have to turn this camera on. Let's see. There it's coming on. And I gotta put this one on movie. Should be there. Okay, start that one. Let's see, the number is gonna move. Okay, now it's on movie. Okay, then I gotta turn out the light and hope I don't knock something over. I'm gonna turn it out like this. Alright, now let's see. Okay, there's the back of the screen on it. And as you can see, well, right now I got the bathroom lights on. Darn. I should have turned that off first. This is going to be hard. There's so much stuff in the way.